Hello! Another week, another trip to the thrift store. Also, I'm Kathleen, hello. But this week, we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing a bit of a challenge, so I'll tell you about that when we get inside. Let's go. All right, friends, so the challenge at the thrift store today is that I'm only allowed to buy one thing. I know, a tall order, but hey, this helps us be a little bit more creative, a little bit less consumeristic. So I'm gonna look around this whole big dang thrift store, find the one statement piece, then we'll take it home and we'll style it up a bunch of different ways to show you how versatile one piece of clothing, I'm assuming it's gonna be clothing, can be. Let's get to it. First, I wanna show you my outfit because I feel like a really cool frog. Yeah, those are suspenders. And you know I'm new boot goofing in my Air Force Ones. If you don't know, you gotta watch last week's video. Okay, let's go. On my way to the dresses, I was just walking by the books and I passed this. You gotta see this thing. It's like every single scene from the movie. And if that's not good collage material, I don't know what is. I'm gonna get this, it doesn't count. This is tougher than it looks. I'm really looking for something that is like enough of a statement that I can really build an outfit around it, but that it can also be dressed down and dressed up and somewhere in between. Made it to the fitting room. Got a couple of things to try on. I'm very interested in this little waistcoat right here. This is already so cute. I need to tighten it up a little bit in the back. It has a little tighten string. Tighten string? I thought the shape and the pattern on this was cute, but a little too long for my taste. This jacket though, it's kind of everything I've ever wanted in a jean jacket. I don't know. Ruh-roh. But can I dress it up? Can I dress it down? Can I dress it at the middle? That's the question. Well, I guess we'll find out when I get home what I got. Haha, psych. I'm at a different thrift store. Also, I'm in a different car. This one has a hole in the roof. Listen, I'm sticking to my word. I didn't find anything at the thrift store that really tingled my wingle. What? I didn't see anything at the last thrift store that really tickled my fancy. Didn't feel enough like a statement piece. So we're gonna try another spot and maybe treasure awaits. Let's go. Will I see anyone I know at this thrift store? The chances are very high. Okay, let's get serious. First, I'm gonna look at the lamps and then I'll look at the dresses. Okay, cut the crap, me. Let's look at some dresses. No, 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 no. No, no. Is this anything? This isn't going so well, bestie. We're looking at the shirts now. Why do I want this? Okay, despite all my griping, I still have stuff. So let's try it on. Shall we? Kind of loving this. I feel like a cool wizard wearing this, and it sits up and it sits down. If that's not versatility, I don't know what is. Wait, also loving this. The print is amazing. The fit isn't my favorite. It's just too long. Everything's too long. Don't they know I want everything cropped? How dare they? Well, are my ambitions too large? Are my hopes too high? Not possible. I will see you tomorrow. We will try this again. And somehow I still have hope. Okay, see you then. Good morning. I'm back in the car that does not have a hole in the roof. And we are at another thrift store. So this one is kind of like my secret weapon. It usually has really nice stuff, but it's kind of expensive. Which I guess is fine because I'm only buying one thing. So it all works out in the end. All right, let's go. As usual, we're starting in the dresses. I found this. Look at that pocket placement. What do you put in that pocket? I'm in the two-piece sets and I think I just found it, if it fits. It's this little short sleeve, almost like Clueless-esque two-piece set with little shorts. I really hope this fits. Goodbye, AirPod. I was really expecting to have more of a crisis deciding what I wanted to get, but this little checkered set has had my heart since I first saw it. True love at first sight. Although this bag is also true love at first sight. I'm 99% sure it's handmade. It's so cute. I will regret not buying this. But hey, nothing like living with a little regret, am I right? On that note, I'll see you at home. I'm back, and I think we found a winner. It feels like this little checkerboard set holds magnitudes within it. It can be preppy, it can be a little bit more street style, it can be casual, it can be fancy. So it's kind of perfect for this challenge, I think. Also, you wanna know something really strange? There's the tag for the shorts. Here's the tag for the top. No matchy. Me confuse, but me no ask questions. Anyways, I'm gonna try this on, see if I can make it casual, if I can make it fancy, if I can make it me. Let's do it. Here she is. So if you know me, you know I like a non-constricting outfit, so I feel very comfy and cool in this matching set. The monochrome plaid gives it a bit of a prep school vibe, but the non-contoured silhouette feels a little bit more street style and editorial. Like I'm a little hall monitor lad who also happens to be a Yeezy runway model. So next, let's style this for a fancier event, like maybe a date night perhaps. I added an oversized houndstooth blazer to stick with the sartorial vibes, and then of course, you gotta add a bit of funkiness. So I contrasted all of that with these cool denim and western Y2K booties. Finally, let's talk about how I would personally style this. Like on the day-to-day. Leaning into the prep school idea, I added tights and these clowncore-esque Mary Janes. However, we're rebellious prep school clowns, so I also threw on this moto jacket and added the unbuttoned white layer to kind of simulate like an unbuttoned school uniform. If I had a striped tie, you know I would be wearing it all loose and cool-like, just like My Chemical Romance in the I'm Not Okay music video. Yep, this feels like me, and I love that. Well, what did we think? Well, what did we think? I'm not surprised that I love this, but I do love it. Let me know down below how you would style this little matching set, or if you thought I was gonna get any of the other stuff that I found at the thrift store and you were surprised that I got this. That's fair too. Now I do need to address an elephant in this very room. I didn't only buy one thing. I also bought this. I've said it before in recent videos, and if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you would know that I've been really into collage lately. Feel free to follow me at kathleenillustrated if you want to see what kind of craziness that I've been making recently, but I've been taking thrifted books, cutting them up, and making little collages. So the fact that this book is literally just frames from the Jekyll and Hyde movie, and they're kind of perfectly shaped and sized for my little notebook, I couldn't say no. I hope you will forgive me. I'm also curious if any of you are going to try this challenge yourselves. I highly encourage it. Like I said, it's good for creativity. It's good to keep an eye on how much you are consuming, even if it's at the thrift store. And if you do, please tag me or let me know somehow. I can't wait to see what y'all find. I feel like I'm slowly getting closer to the camera. I need to back it up a bit. If you like this video and you'd like to be notified when I post my next video, usually weekly, every Sunday, then please feel free to subscribe if you'd like. I really appreciate it. I'm just so glad that you're here, taking the time to hang out with me. That's really special. All right, I'm gonna shimmy my way out of here, so I hope you have a great week. I love you, and I mean it this time. Goodbye. What you gonna do with all that junk? All that junk inside that junk? Bye!